Hi, Adam.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Okay, that looks like it.
Charlie Bartholomew. Say hi. Huh?
Chuck, come here. This looks like a circle, right?
You're singing in my video.
You're taking a video? Exactly a what?
No.
You take a video.
Can you take a video?
That's 100% calling.
Okay, I'm posting this on YouTube, everybody.
I'm gluing my fingers together. Me and GTK class. Ready for my dance moves?
Yeah. Go.
Should I stand up on the table and start dancing?
Wait, what was it? Can you go in the space?
What was this? Yeah. Did you get that on video?
Yep.
Did you get me dancing? And then it was,
Okay.
what are you going to call it? And then it was,
What?
The funny dancer.
No.
I'd do a handstand for your video, but that would kind of be boring.
No, it would kind of be out of the blue, like I'm taking an actual video. Nobody knows. Teacher.
That is our Mr.
It's Mr. Krausbaus. Charlie, what'd you get? What do you have? On the ruler game.
I'm going to stick my finger there.
How do you know I said that?
You're the one that always says
Can I get 8 on this?